And all these screens have some sort of interactivity. As they grow up, or as a society, that expectation of interactivity will only grow. We will expect that like everything what we see around or walk around, there's some sort of interactivity. Like say, couple of years back, when internet started, there was, or say mobile were started in India, there was small apps. These were not called apps as such. There were apps like say for astrology there was an app, for cricket scores there was an app. So IoT now is in that stage where there are individual devices doing multiple, like each thing. Like say there's a Fitbit to take care of my say health. There is another app to measure temperature around. So when all these devices get combined, or when a platform where all these devices get together, there's a lot more potential. There are a lot of things which have to be discussed, a lot of things which we are not even aware of. Like say I can think of an idea where say suppose I wake up in the morning, and then with me, my car also wakes up. I know that the temperature in Hyderabad is like, it's hot, and I don't want a hot car, I want a cold car. So it knows that, okay, this is the temperature I want, 18 degrees centigrade. So my car also wakes up, and at the same time, my coffee machine also wakes up. I know that I've woken up, and I want a cappuccino. So this is what the future of IoT will be, a platform where a lot of things are possible. Heard about like a connected fridge using RFID, that like say, the moment some item is over, the grocery shop will get a notification that like this is possible, and this is milk is over, and like say the shop will send a milk. That's technically not possible. While the hype was there that this is possible, technically it was not possible. Say RFID can send signal, it can't weigh the weight of the milk, or it can't look through the bottle and say that, hey, it's half full or half empty. That is technically not possible. Now, if you look at IoT, it's got so much possibilities because each has got a different sensor. I can use a camera sensor intelligently to look at the opacity, or I can use a weight sensor for a bottle saying how much weight is there. So I can combine multiple sensors together to get what I want, or what is possible. Suppose say we are here about say 150 people. I want to build a tool where say I build a doormat, and I want to say that anybody who steps on the doormat, I take a photograph and put it on Twitter. And it will take me less than say 24 hours to build, because the sensors are available. You don't need so much of development also. There's so many APIs available. Twitter gives an API, I build a camera sensor and use a cloud to connect this, and within 24 hours it's possible to do that, something like that. So IoT will be a lot more easier to develop in some terms, and there will be a lot more possibilities.